Hey guys, Dave here. Today we're going to be doing a quick assembly and then my thoughts afterwards. So stay tuned on the review of the Vevor Workbench. Today we're going to review the Vevor Workbench. So let's get to it. Alright guys, You just saw a sped up version of me putting this workbench together from Vevor, assuming that's how you pronounce it. Wood top. The wood top is about 1.8 inches thick, solid wood. It kind of looks like a butcher block kind of fashion here. So another thing, anything that would normally be like a raw edge is broke over real nice, tight. You don't have to worry about cutting yourself. I mean, I'm surprised by how thick and sturdy this thing is. The legs are a little hair over 1.5 inches, square tubing. So 48 by 24 on the top. On the money, pegboard, 44 by 15.5 is your hose size of the back, and then from 38 inches across and 12 inches tall. That's top hole, bottom hole. So you're looking at a 38 by 12 actual peg area. Your shelf up here is 4 inches by 44. Our drawer here, which I have extra pegs on, is 39.25 by 15.5 by 3.5 inches tall. The quality of this thing is unbelievable, actually. I would put this above, like I say, if you went to Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever, the Husky brand and Cobalt brand. I would put this right with them, if not maybe a little higher. For the price, I don't think you can beat the price. To have top quality at a lot lower price than you would get from Lowe's, Home Depot, any other retail store that may sell this. So I did leave the blue plastic on there. I'll have to beautiful stainless handles. Not stainless, I think they're aluminum. Anyway, so it's got big old massive feet on it. Those alone probably hold up semi. You got your pass-through grommet for extension cord, chargers, whatever you may want to put up there in the tray. You got another pass-through grommet here in the side. If you wanted to plug up anything in here, it passes through and put it into the drawer. You have pegboard on the sides. Pegboard on the sides. Legs are adjustable. Like I said, the height range on this is 28 inches to 38.5 inches, I believe, or 39.5 inches. From 28 to 39.5 inches is your height range. Overall, guys, I'm pleased. It comes with an LED light strip that you can stick on under here. It is not switched. It's more of just a plug-in USB type. I do feel something probably different could have been done there. Maybe one that had a switch, but it's always a great option. They didn't even have to supply that really. So I'm indifferent on this if I'm going to install that or not. I'm currently charging my camera battery from the USB. The USB is a 5 volt, 2 amp USB. You have 4 outlets, two USB plugs. I would have liked to have seen plugs for these that aren't used, them holes. But I get it. It's universal. I mean, it could be whatever. So, compression, A+, they did an excellent job on this. It's just like the toolkit I got. So, I got this toolkit. I don't know. A couple months ago, I did a video using these. I was working on this Volvo behind me, and the quality is really nice. These guys have definitely stepped the game up. I would say they're definitely competing with your top brands at your retail locations, say Husky, Cobalt. I think these guys are right up there with them. I've used their 1/2-inch sockets on my really big impact, and they've done great. So I don't think, so far they're 3-0 for me. I also got a OBD2 reader from them, and hell, everything works great. They've yet to disappoint me, so I got nothing but good to say. Toolkit's great. I'll put a link for this too. And then the worktop, or the workstation. It's another good one. So I don't think if this is what you're in the market for, if this is what you're looking for, and you can't decide on brands, you're not going to go wrong with this. There are so many other brands. Vevor's built up such a big brand that it's gonna be hard not to choose them when you see all these other brands flooding the market, right? So, like they said, tough tools, half the price. It is. You're not gonna. I don't think you're gonna find a better deal, honestly, for this this quality, for the price. No. And I'm giving you guys my honest opinion. If it was good, bad, Vevor sends me this stuff to review, to check out. Honest opinion. I'm not gonna fluff y'all. I got a couple left in this drawer, so it may make some noise, but I'm 245 pounds. That's pretty close to 2,000, right? I bet that thing didn't even flex, did it? I bet it didn't. Once again, top quality, tough, I'm impressed. Y'all just don't understand. Putting this drawer together was like buttermilk smooth. Not even mine. All the holes lined up perfectly. All the brakes were perfect. This whole table went together flawlessly. So, and I doubt this is one that they QC was like, oh, this is the best one. This is him to review. No, this came from Amazon. This came straight from Amazon. So this is the exact same thing y'all are gonna get. So, hey, I put Dave Bill's brand on this. I think she's passed the test. It's gonna work for anything I plan to use it for. Being, if I turn this into my workstation for my RC cars, or if I move all of this boat parts over this table. Man, it's such a nice top though. I don't even want to get it dirty, to be honest with you. So I don't know. It's so pretty. But anyway, that's for me to figure out. Y'all, this is what you look for. There's your brand. Make sure you search for it. I'll put a link in the description. I'll put a link to the toolkit in the description. And that's where I'm at. I'll see you guys on the flip side. See you.